Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and I'm on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which probably is going to be an area of resistance. Looking at the US dollar index analysis, I'm not really convinced this move up is over. I'm actually starting to think it might actually go up and test this structure up here. There's definitely no bounce. There's definitely no break of structure. There's definitely no reason yet to say the uptrend is over. And as always, the trend is definitely your friend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it really looks like a wave one, wave two. So even if it does pop down, it is almost definitely just going to be a crescent to the wave three. So if it does pop down, it's probably almost definitely going to be like a wave four, which will probably go to about 38% of this move up for the wave four, and then we'll probably get at least one more wave to the upside for a wave five, which, like I said, is probably going to end up taking out that structure level on the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.